Definitely sure they are feeling the momentum they had, considering the winning streaks that they are enjoying right now. It's a different Alaska team altogether, realizing the champions that they are and the materials that they have to actually defend this championship, especially now that they are on the bottom 5 with this win. Lalampasan na nila yung 50% winning percentage.
And he went to Pure Foods. This is a different Pure Foods team. Totally different from the one that won their last two games.
The spunk is not there.
Oo,
Para dito sa mga taga Pure Foods.
Parang nagulat na sila sa umpisa and they have never recovered after that.
Correct. At parang pressure na sila kaagad, nahabulin na kaagad. Nag-backfire na sa kanila, lalong lumayo. So that's why we see the biggest thing kanina was at 28 points. Now we're looking at a 17. Wala na ba ito? Tama, 17 yan. Medyo pag may 2 at may 5.
Labas ko lang yung abacus ko.
So may momentum na silang nakukuha rito.
Oh, ito, makaka-turnover pa. Itong Pure Foods, you know, they really want to get back in this ball game. Ito ang kailangan talaga trabahuin nila, depensa. You know, because dun nga nakakuha ng energy pag nakakuha ka ng turnovers, and then your offense will follow. And ngayon, this is a good start. Nakakuha sila ng stop. It's up to them if they can convert on this play.
At gano'n nakalalim ang mga hugot nitong si Coach Ryan. Si Rayo Bautista ay nasa loob na.
Ito yung saksak ni Kirby Raimundo.
Ayaw pa rin. Si Kirby, one of those players, hardly a factor in this ball game.
Ito na naman, open look for Tony De La Cruz. Pero I keep on emphasizing because yung mga tira na yan, puro open jump shots eh.
Because they're not extending. Alam, effective talaga ang kanilang zone defense, but kailangan mo rin ng konting adjustment yan.
Tingnan mo naman ito, si Rico Villanueva, napakasikip ng mundo dun sa loob ng paint.
Because Alaska is adjusting better, offensively and defensively. They've been reading situations very well.
Ito na ngayon si John Ferios. John Ferios pumihit.
Traveling.
Nakita mo, galit na galit si Coach Tim Cone kay John Ferios because this is one of the rare mental lapses nito na Alaska Aces. They've been moving the ball very well. Kaya nga ayaw niya yung mga one-on-one plays na yon. Pag masyado masikip, dapat kinik out na niya.
Oo, at saka sa sigaw ni Coach Tim Cone, yung mga ibang